So remember, guys, that states of matter will also be reversible, no? Turning from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, okay? Liquid to solid, gas to liquid, solid to gas, and gas to solid. Those are the different changes of phase of matter. So again, please tell me, when changing solid to liquid is melting. Changing from liquid to solid is freezing. Changing from liquid to gas, okay, boiling or evaporation. Changing from gas to liquid. Changing from solid to gas, sublimation. Changing from gas to solid, deposition. Now, let's talk about this one by one. Okay? So, the particle arrangement, okay, when it comes to deposition and sublimation, okay, condensation and evaporation, freezing and melting, those changes happens when we apply either high temperature of heat or low temperature of heat. Okay, so thermal and light application is also important when it comes to determining about the different changes of states of matter. So in this state of matter, when it comes to melting, remember, we need to add heat between solid and liquid in order to form melting. In evaporation, we also need to apply heat by putting heat or adding heat between liquid and gas in order that, okay, to produce evaporating gas or gaseous water. Then, in order to produce condensation, okay, it should have, or we need to add cold, okay, between gas and liquid in order that the objects condense in a form of condensation. Then, in order to determine freezing between liquid and solid, we also need to add cold or freezing point. Okay? Now, evaporation, or in other words, boiling, a change of phase from liquid to gas that takes place at the surface of a liquid. Boiling, a change of phase from liquid to gas that takes place beneath the surface of a liquid. Especially when you boil water, we need to apply extreme heat pressure in our kettle, or what we call in our cooker. Next, condensation. How condensation takes place? This change of phase from gas to liquid happens when gas condenses, and it will turn into denser and heavier clouds formation before it will precipitate. So next, freezing. The change of phase from liquid to solid, in which turning water into ice. So there is enough freezing point, very cold. Okay, so cold application isn't there. Okay, when you put your water into a fridge or in your refrigerator, then after a few minutes or an hour, that water turns into ice cube. Okay? That's for freezing. Sublimation. One of the best example of sublimation when you play dry ice. So sublimation is a process in which the substance goes from solid to gas by passing the liquid state. Okay? So as I've said, as you observe the smoke coming from dry ice, it is very cold. The freezing point is very cold, drops into negative freezing point compared to ice, ordinary or regular ice. Then, precipitation. In precipitation, those examples are already the byproduct from condensation. Okay? So, if the clouds turns dark and we observe it condenses in that particular area of the atmosphere, it falls as a rain. So it turns into precipitation process like rain, the sleet, the snow, hail that falls to earth when cloud particles becomes too heavy. So precipitation happens right after condensation takes place. You guys understand? Okay. So, again, for freezing the liquid to solid, okay, it involves with warming process. In sublimation, I repeat, solid to gas. Okay, example of mothballs that if used to evaporate without leaving a liquid, and snow on the ground evaporates, skipping liquid phase altogether. So examples, dry ice, solid carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is typically found as a gas. When you observe the smoke coming from a dry ice, once it will react from hot water. Okay? So some substances sublime. Means to say the from solid to gas without going through liquid phase. So it refers what we call deposition. So deposition means to say frozen pattern of ice. Especially in your car windshield is an example of deposition. This involves a gas changing to a solid. This occurs during winter. When humid air directly freezes into solid ice or what we call mist or frosting. Okay? So the change of state directly from a gas to a solid. That's what we call deposition phase. Okay? A change of state of matter from a gas to solid, decreasing temperature. Means to say the temperature drops into negative freezing point as well. Okay? Next, evaporation is the process of substance in a liquid state changing to a gaseous state due to an increase in temperature and or pressure. So phase change from a liquid to a gas, molecules speed up, move farther apart, absorb heat energy. So definitely evaporation or vaporization by forming gaseous water after heating or boiling the water in a cooker. Melting again, when matter changes from solid to liquid, melting point in this temperature where substance changes stay from a solid to a liquid. So the solid and liquid phase are at equilibrium. That is why we have melting point, especially melting of ice or ice cream. Okay, so that undergoes what we call melting process. Condensation, I repeat, it is a process where water vapor changes back into liquid water along with